My name is Emil Ussing, and my thesis, Mending and Non-Building, Redefining the Derelict, is based in the abandoned coast briquette factory in Moseby, Northern Jutland. The factory building has been left to dilapidate since the 60s, when its production of peat briquettes became obsolete. Flourishing plants and wildlife has taken over the site, and a previously strict industrial production building has become something more reminiscent of a wild landscape. The intangible qualities of this abandoned space lie within the intersection of nature and culture, and these unlikely ecological phenomena become the starting point of the thesis. Perceiving dilapidation and entropy as an atmospheric quality is, however, something which is worked against in terms of our current building regulations. As a twist on current regulations, this project proposes to subdivide the existing building to define large parts as a landscape and smaller parts as different typologies, as to also inhibit the project from ruining the ruin. Surveying the structure alongside Jammerbugt municipality, engineers and tools from phenomenology, specific microsites to intervene have been determined. Through 3 interventions, the possibilities of inhabiting the abandoned building are explored. A house, an assembly hall, and a viewpoint are imposed within the factory mass. One product of the thesis is a set of situated hand-drawn details, where the nuance in repair, safety, and the ecological benefits of unsafety is represented as an interpretable repair manual applicable to similar abandoned topologies.